Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing so well. Today's look is fun, it's colourful. We are playing with 50 shades of green today because why not? Green is my favourite colour. As you can probably tell by my house, my living room is green, my office is green, everything is green. I love plants, I love the great outdoors, so why not play with some green on my face. Today is actually day one of going to the gym with a full beat. I'm about to wear this makeup to the gym and I'm gonna put a foundation to the test. I will come back and check up and show you guys how the foundation lasts. So you're gonna get a little bit of a wear test today as well. So yeah, I have linked all of the products down below. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And yeah, it's just a fun one. Just a fun look. Not the most wearable, but does every makeup have to be wearable? No, it doesn't always have to be soft glam, okay? If you want to see how to create this look, then keep on watching. Are you guys ready to get full glam? Because I am. Okay, I'm gonna moisturize. This is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Cream. My skin feels so dry at the moment. It's kind of grim. This stuff is so hydrating. Try not to get my brows. Let's start with the eyes because I'm gonna go really dark today. So I'm gonna use this. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour concealer pomade. Project 10 Pan is really inspiring me to go through my makeup collection and use things, which is the point. It's working. I've been using loads of old products that I've not used in years. It's super fun. I'm gonna tie up my hair. For my eyes today, I think I'm gonna use my Me, Myself and Mitchell palette. I'm being very drawn to Mardi, Shmoney, and Minty. Minty is filthy, what has happened? I may also dabble in the Neon Obsessions Green by Huda Beauty. And I think I also want to use my Dose of Colours Block Party eyeshadow in Leave Me Alone. Look at that. Stunning! I'm excited. Let's get some colours on my face. I'm actually going to start with this shade here, the really soft pastel green. Oh, this is creasing a little bit, okay. Let's just go straight in with Shmoney. And you want to get this blend so clean. Obviously green is a very difficult colour to blend into your skin tone. It will take a little bit of work, but that's why we put that transition shade down, just to give it something. It feels really weird. I'm actually getting ready to go to the gym. The video hopefully should already be out. I wore full glam to the gym for a week. Thought I would start with a bang. Today is Monday and I'm going for a green smoky eye. Next, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Miracle. This is actually the exact colour of my gym leggings. And yes, I am going to be wearing matching gym leggings today. And this, you just want to start blending through the crease into that original green. We're adding a little bit of depth now. This shade is putting a little bit more blue than I want, so I am going to go back on top with Shmoney. But we just want the depth of this shade. Okay, so going back in with Shmoney, just on top. Here we go. That has just helped to build up some more intensity. I look so ill. Onto Mardi, which is this incredible dark forest green. I think it's such a lovely colour. I'm gonna pat this onto the lid. I've taken a really small amount, get the majority of it onto the lid first, and then begin to blend it up. When there's barely anything left on the brush, you wanna blend. Oh my days. I feel like a peacock. I feel like a Disney villain. A lot of my favourite looks are often described as that. On the front portion of the lid, I'm going to take the Dose of Colours Leave Me Alone because it's so beautifully sparkly. Do I spray it? I think I do. Maybe a finger. I love these Dose of Colours eyeshadows. Time for my favourite part, which is the skin. I'm going to try a couple of new products today. The first one is the brand new launch from Benefit. This is the Professional Hydrating Primer. I went to the launch the other day and I've been so excited to try it. I have dry combination skin, so I'm very excited to give this a go. It smells so nice. It feels real nice, real smooth. I like this a lot. It gives you the same smooth feeling as the original Professional, but it does definitely feel more hydrating. I feel like I'm very, very blue. I'm sorry if the color balance has been really weird in this video. It's very off. I'm gonna try a new foundation from L'Oreal. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte cover foundation. This claims to be mattifying, long-wearing, high coverage, natural results. It is sweat-proof, budge-proof, shine control with a second skin finish. So I'm gonna be the judge of that. The PR package came with boxing gloves. So they want me to put it to the test, which I am. I'm gonna wear it to the gym today. So I'll probably come back actually later on and show you guys how I'm looking after my session. This is not my shade. It's definitely a little bit light for me. A bit light for me actually. Oh, I just used the wrong shade, that's why. Oh, but that one's too pink. Shades are not on my side today, so we're just gonna have to bronze up the skin because this is not my color. Wow, it is very matte, isn't it? Matte really scares me, but that's why I use the hydrating primer. Help me out a little. Look at the color. Oh, I have to wear this out. But this is definitely giving me a matte finish. It's extremely matte. It kind of feels like war paint. And I would say that this is a full coverage. But for a matte foundation, I'd say this is looking pretty nice. I really need to warm up my skin. So I'm gonna take the Nude Sticks Bondi Bay contour bronze stick, and I'm gonna try and add some color back to my skin. Oh wow. Okay, yep, this foundation's very matte. It's taking a little bit of work to blend it in because it's such a matte foundation. I'm used to like my face feeling practically wet, but it's looking better. I think this lighting might be better as well. I hope so. Sorry, the first half of the video I look blue. That's a bit better. Now I'm gonna take the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer again, the one that I used on my lid, and I'm just going to conceal around my face. Ooh, that looks really nice. That is full coverage glam. I'm just gonna set my face using my usual, my Laura Mercier translucent. So I do think this concealer is gonna crease. I'm gonna do a really bright green inner corner. So I'm gonna take the Kat Von D Cake Pencil in the shade Whiteout, and I'm just gonna draw that on the inner eye. I need a pencil brush, blend that up. Pretty. I think I'm gonna take this shade here, this bright green. Yep, pack that on top. Oh, just like that. I'm obsessed. Pull it up as well, just blend it in. Shmoney. A little bit lighter. Just blending it out. I'm gonna take the tiniest little bit of Mardy, that dark green, close to the lash line and just on the outer, just to tie it in. On the waterline, I am gonna take a yellow liner and I'm gonna pop this on the waterline. Then I'm taking Manchester, which is the yellow in the Mitchell palette, just on top to set it. Right, let's put on some mascara. I've used quite a lot of L'Oreal in this video. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Full Slash Mascara because I'm really enjoying it. Those are the eyes. Done. To wipe away this fake, I'm using my NARS Beach Powder, which I don't need to wear right now because I'm so matte. I feel so dry. Let me quickly contour my nose. I am still trying to use up my baby hoola. Ooh, that's a nice nose contour today. I'm gonna do my current go-to combo for bronzer, Hoola Caramel and the Bobbi Brown. It's in the shade Natural. So we're gonna start with Hoola Caramel, because we just need to add the colour back to my skin here because I'm worryingly pale. Bronzer does blend really nicely over matte foundation, I'll give it that. And then taking the Bobbi Brown bronzer, I just pull this right to the back and keep it nice and high. She bronzed. All right, for my blush, I'm gonna use a MUA blush. This is in the shade Papaya Whip. A nice like peachy colour would go well with this look. Yeah, MUA blushes are amazing. They're so pigmented. That's amazing. Blend. Now I need setting spray. I need a moisturising one. This is the Too Faced Hangover Setting Spray. Oh my god, that's like a drink of water. So a little Project 10 pan update. I've actually added 2 more products to the lineup of things that I want to use up because I found them and I was like, you need to get used up. An old Becca Opal. Becca Opal was like my favourite highlighter and I actually have three full-size ones. But I found this one, which I never finished. I just moved on to a new one and I don't know why. So I want to finish this one. Also, Harmony from MAC, which used to be one of my absolute favourites. I used to actually contour with this, but I think these days I'd probably use it more like a blush. So I'm actually just going to put a little bit of Harmony on. I'm obviously going to go in with Becca Opal, my favourite highlighter of all time. Becca and Oh Darling, I think, are my 2 favourite, all-time favourite highlighters. That is some skin. On my lips, I'm going to use Jouer Melon Lip Cream. Start with my Becca Vacation Lip Pencil. We are nearly at the end of this, guys. This might be the first thing that runs out. I need something a little bit more brown. I'm going to go in with Driver from Maybelline. Yeah, the pink wasn't working for me. Okay, everyone, here is the finished look. This is what I'm going to look like when I go to the gym. Wish me luck. As you can probably tell by my house, green is my favourite colour. I absolutely love green, but I never wear green makeup. I feel like it's a fun colour to play with because there's so many shades of green that are all gorgeous. Here is the finished look. Super, super cool. I really hope you like it. I love doing these kind of videos where I just do a fun look, play with a little bit of color. Why not? There are so many brown smoky eyes on YouTube, and who knows, next week it will probably be another one from me, but this week I wanted to have some fun. Would you wear this look? Would you wear this look to the gym? That's what I want to know. Okay, I'm gonna go to the gym now and I will come back and I'll show you guys how this foundation held up. I mean, I think my skin looks great. It's very matte, it's very flawless. I think it looks nice. See you later. I'm not being funny, but I cannot believe how well my makeup lasted throughout that session. Look at my skin. I've got a little bit of shine. That is it. This is amazing. L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte cover is amazing. I am the sweatiest person alive, like the sweatiest person alive. I cannot believe this is how I look after a gym session. Dare I say shook? Dare I? I'm actually so impressed. I can't believe it. There you go, you guys. That is my first impression of, I mean, this has accidentally become a first impression. I love this. Yeah, I filmed the first part of the going to the gym with a full beat today and I felt judged. And I have to do it 4 more times this week. Anyway, I'm now gonna end this video. I hope you found it interesting, entertaining. I hope you liked the look, even though it's obviously not looking its best now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have the best day and I will see you in my next video. Bye.